So good morning. I'm down the plot. It's kind of a bit sunny sometimes, breezy, but I've got to come see what state the plot is in because I haven't been down for nearly a week because of the rain. So let's see what has survived and what hasn't. Oh no, look. Blight. All those tomatoes. What a bummer. Let me give you a closer look. They were all just kind of starting to form up on the fruits. And now, no, the whole bed's taken out. On the plus side, the sweet corn I left is still there, which is great. So I will try picking that today. Now let's see if the greenhouse tomatoes have survived. Oh, I'm not quite sure. Could be the start of blight on some leaves, but we'll see. There's one lone survivor here. Doesn't look like that's got blight yet. So my goal today is tidy, tidy, tidy. That'd be the paths and beds, any that have a crop that has just failed, I'm just going to cover. Occasionally, like where the leeks are, I need to weed that. All these flies landing on me. Anyway, the plot does feel kind of messy at the moment. But if I can just, I was going to say at least do one bed each time I come down, but 2 or 3 would be great to clear up and just have them look wonderful. Just a shame about those tomatoes. Oh well, it's that time of year. So I think my plan of attack is tidy up on the patio. I already did the herb bed last time. So just work my way gradually from the greenhouse end forward, doing beds and paths at a time, harvesting what needs harvesting, then covering if necessary, and just work my way forward. The start of the plot is the worst looking, but oh well. So yeah, clean up all that mess on the patio, weed the paths, probably harvest the potatoes there, and there's a few onions there. Well, I finished weeding, pruning back the flower bed and weeding underneath the pergola bit. Let me show you the pergola. I've weeded down there. I've weeded along here. I actually pulled up the paving slabs and pulled the web of roots from out underneath. I've pruned this stuff, so there's a lot more airflow, and pruned back a lot of the rows. I've pruned along this side and weeded. So my plan before I go home is to dig up the potatoes in this bed. I think, yeah, these are supposed to be Charlottes. And then that will be enough for today. Not the best harvest, not the worst. That was the whole bed of Charlottes. I have one whole basket of potatoes. There's a few green ones, and there were a few whoppers they got ate by the wildlife. But on the plus side, this bed's nicely dug over now, weeded, and I'll cover it ready for next year. Now, that's a reasonable harvest for today. I'm happy with that. Okay, so it's still sunny, but it is breezy. It's 4:10. I am going to take that basket of stuff home and have a rest. So what have I achieved today? I've tidied 2 beds, harvested one of those beds, and tidied 4 bits of pathway. So I think that's a good chunk. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 6 beds of the plot are all tidied and ready, and then I will work my way that way. So I'm happy with the progress. So from a sunny autumnal plot. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.